I'm Casey Briggs, and this is my mini design project. So, for my topic of interest, I chose math. Math has always been something that I've really enjoyed throughout school, and it's always been my best subject. So, I wanted to look further into it and find good online resources. So, seeking resources, I didn't really go too complex with it. I just looked up Math OER, and a bunch of different resources popped up. It was super easy to find some. Like, I had no problems or difficulties with that. So my first one is the Crash Course series on YouTube. So this is basically a series where they go through different math subjects and break them down. And this is something I've used before, and they don't necessarily have every subject on there, but it's free to use. And if they have your subject, they do a really good job at breaking down the different topics, and it's very helpful. So next is Khan Academy. It's a free website that it has a bunch of different math subjects, and it's kind of the same as the YouTube videos, but these are instructional videos by real math teachers that have taught the subject, and um, Khan Academy is one of my favorites for math. And finally, I chose Academic Earth as my third. So this is a website you can actually take online courses on this website, and there's free access to different textbooks and journals and magazines about the math subjects, and they even have different grant opportunities and scholarship information and like different scholarship opportunities on this website, which I thought was really cool. Out of these three, though, Khan Academy is definitely my top choice. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. I used it in high school, and I still am using it in college. I just like how broad of like the type of math topics they have. Like there's geometry, algebra, calculus, all the different subjects, which is really helpful. So you don't have to go different places. You can find them all on that one website. And that's all. Thank you.